Good day, everyone. My name is Kaden Stavestein Gita Blanc, and today I am excited to present my proto appropriation project. For this assignment, I chose to engage with one of the most iconic and emotionally raw pieces in art history, exploring how its core themes translate into a modern, real world context. To begin, let's look at the original masterpiece. This is The Scream, created by Norwegian expressionist artist Edvard Munch in 1893. Munch actually created several versions of this composition using different mediums. The one we are most familiar with features oil, tempera, and pastel on cardboard. The Scream is a foundational work of Expressionism, famous for capturing a profound sense of existential dread, anxiety, and human isolation against a swirling, turbulent nature background. Moving on to the slide 3. This is my personal recreation and appropriation of the artwork. I have titled this piece The Modern Silent Script by Cadence Levenstein Gita Blanc, which is me, completed this year, 2026. In this photographic rendition, I sought to mirror the raw, visceral emotion of the original, using physical posture, facial expression, and lighting to recreate that distinct sense of panic and overwhelming vulnerability. When we view both pieces side by side on slide 4, the relationship between the old and the new becomes clearer. While the medium changes from the 19th century paint to modern photography, the compositional lines remain parallel. By placing myself in the frame, I bridge the gap between Munch's late industrial era anxiety and our contemporary world, proving that the core human experience of facing overwhelming pressure is entirely timeless. Finally, let's look at the conceptual framework behind this project. This piece primarily utilizes subject appropriation, as I'm stepping directly into the role of a central figure to recontextualize its meaning, alongside style appropriation by trying to evoke the same dramatic, tense atmosphere. Beyond the visual exercise, this appropriation speaks directly to modern issues, specifically the silent epidemic of mental health struggles, burnouts, and overwhelming stress faced by our generation today. My advocacy through this photo is to bring visibility to these internal battles, just as Munch gave a color and shape to his internal anxieties. This appropriation serves as a reminder that we must not internalize our panic. We need to foster open dialogues around mental health, ensuring no one has to fear their scream in isolation. Thank you very much for listening.